All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today we've got Leatherman PS4 Squirt and Leatherman Micra here in the house for a quick comparison review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started with the really quick unboxing. This is for the Squirt. Inside you're gonna find your Leatherman card and of course your keychain tool user guide with all the goodies and instructions. And here you're gonna find your Leatherman Micra box, and same thing, just a nice card and the keychain tool user guide. So let's see these two guys because they are tiny. They are keychain pocket multi-tool, so very tiny. Let's see how they are comparing, for example, up against this is the Leatherman Charge TTI, and we can have actually something smaller right over here. This is the free T4, which you can see that, you know, it's kind of like not twice as the size, but it's kind of bigger than that. Also in the free series, we've got the P4, which you can actually see how bigger we are getting. And of course if you get like the Surge, which is like a full-size tool in the picture, you can get an idea of what are we talking about. I mean, the Surge is a big boy, right? Look at that. Also, yeah, I just want to show you, this is the free K2 right over here, and you can see that this is also a big boy compared to these small and tiny guys. So basically these are keychain multi-tools, and they are very nice indeed, nicely done. The Micra is a little bit bigger than that, bigger than the PS4, but PS4 is a little bit more expensive than this guy over here. So we're talking about $40 and $50 range, more or less. It depends, the price is varying because of the discount, so it depends. They are both very cool indeed. The Micra is sporting 10 tools and the PS4 is sporting 9 tools. So one tool less for this guy, a little bit more expensive, a little bit different. But let's get started. So basically the Micra is a pair of scissors, whereas the Squirt, the PS4, is just a set of pliers. Mainly the main tool when you open the multi-tool. When you keep it closed, you're gonna notice that there's nothing you can do with your Micra except for using the ruler over here, which is missing in the Squirt. But the Squirt, it can be actually used when closed. So you have your 420 HC knife right over here. On the same side, you've got your wood and metal file. And you can even use it here, I think, to just cut some very small metal pieces. On the other side, you have three tools. Of course, you've got your small scissors, very tiny, and on the other side, you're gonna have your flat Phillips head screwdriver. And on the other side, over here, you just got like a medium-size screwdriver. So one thing to notice is that you're gonna need, you can only deploy these with a nail nick, which is kind of like hidden and buried down here. So not the easiest to access tool. Of course, you've got a bottle opener right over here, integrated with the medium flathead screwdriver. And when you open, of course, you've got the pliers right over here. These are spring. There's a spring action for these pliers. And of course, if you notice right over here, It's a spring action wire cutter. So these are your 9 tools hidden and crammed into this very, very small package. In the Micra, actually, you need to open the tool to access the tools stored on the inside, and you're gonna find your 420HC knife right over here. And by the way, of course, also the scissors here are spring-loaded, of course. Then on this side over here, you've got your set of tweezers. Very, very cool, very, very useful. Phillips flathead screwdriver. Very nice. And on this side over here, you've got your extra small screwdriver with bottle opener integrated right over there, and they are nicely engineered to fit on the inside like that. But again, you have to open and then you have to just close it to be able to fully use it, whereas on this side they are on the outside and you just can access them. On the other side, we saw the 420HC knife, and then we've got right over here, you've got another screwdriver. It's like a medium screwdriver. Here you have a nail file right over here with a nail cleaner right over there. So it's very interesting how they managed to store like 10 tools right inside the handles of this little pocket tool. Very, very cool. Also, they kind of share the same weight. They're both 1.9 ounces in the pocket, so very, very light. The size, as you can see, the PS4 is much small, not much smaller, but smaller than that, and it's packing all the tools on the outside, so easier to access and faster to deploy. But if you check, for example, you see the one other difference is the main blade. Beside the fact that these are pretty much the same length, you're gonna have in the Squirt, you're gonna have more clearance like that, because here you see you have this area here more. And in this case, the edge is just flush with the handle over here. So just a little bit different design. Of course, from the scissor point of view, the Micra is just fantastic. It's just scissors. And this is like a mini set of scissors. So clearly the win is on the Micra. Of course, if you're talking about pliers, that's not a contest, because there's no pliers here, just in the PS4, and I really appreciate the action. It's very springy, very nice, and it gives like a nice feedback to the hand. It feels quality. If you check right over here, the file and the nail, it's on this side the other side right over here. So you can see that there's a difference. This is more like a nail file. This is actually wood and metal file, so much more useful, I think, for ordinary little tasks. This is more like for manicure, so maybe it's aimed to a different target, but I kind of like both. They are very valuable, tiny keychain, and because they are hiding a lot of tools which can reveal very useful in pretty different set of occasions. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.